A pumice stone or pumibar is a popular tool for keeping your feet smooth and free from calluses and dead skin. These natural exfoliating tools can help remove dead skin cells, calluses, and rough patches, leaving your feet soft and smooth. I'm Houston podiatrist Dr. Andrew Schneider. I'm board certified with over 20 years of experience. It's important to choose and use a pumice stone or pumibar safely to avoid any potential harm. In this video, I'll guide you on how to properly choose and use a pumice stone or pumibar that is safe for your feet. Let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find this information. A pumice stone or pumibar is a lightweight volcanic rock formed by frothy lava that is rapidly cooled and hardened. Its porous and abrasive texture makes it an excellent tool for exfoliation and callus removal. Pumice stones or pumibars come in various shapes, sizes, textures, allowing you to choose one that suits your specific needs. Using a pumice stone or pumibar offers several benefits for foot care. The abrasive surface of a pumice stone or pumibar helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, which reveal fresh, smoother skin underneath. Pumice stone or pumibars are effective at reducing and removing calluses, which are thickened areas of skin caused by friction or pressure. By gently rubbing your feet with a pumice stone or pumibar, you can soften rough patches and make your feet feel smoother. When it comes to natural versus synthetic pumice stones, there are both advantages and disadvantages to consider. Natural pumice stones are formed from volcanic lava and are typically more porous, making them slightly more abrasive and effective in removing dead skin. They're also eco-friendly, as they're natural resource and biodegradable. However, natural pumice stones can vary in quality and may contain impurities or be irregular in shape. This can make them less comfortable to use. Additionally, natural pumice stones can wear down more quickly than synthetic counterparts, requiring more frequent replacements. On the other hand, synthetic pumice stones, also known as pumibars, are made from a combination of materials designed to mimic the texture and abrasive qualities of natural pumice. These stones are often more uniform in shape and texture, providing a consistent exfoliating experience. They're also typically more durable and longer lasting than natural pumice stones. However, synthetic pumice stones may not be as environmentally friendly as they're made from non-biodegradable material, and their production may involve the use of chemicals. The pumibars that I recommend and carry in the office are synthetic, but mimic the benefits of a natural stone. Ultimately, the choice between natural and synthetic pumice stones comes down to personal preference and priorities, such as sustainability, consistency, and durability. I recommend that you stay away from very fine callus files. They don't exfoliate well and heat up the tissue, making it uncomfortable. I also advise that you don't use metal callus files. These are the ones that look like a cheese grater. Rule of thumb: if you can compare something to a kitchen gadget, you shouldn't use it on your skin. Seriously though, metal callus removers are sharp and can cause damage. Follow these steps to use a pumice stone or pumibar safely and effectively. First, soak your feet in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften the skin. You can add a mild foot soak or essential oils for a more relaxing experience. Not looking for a spa experience? Use your pumibar during or just after a bath or shower. Wet the pumice stone or pumibar with water to enhance its exfoliating properties and prevent excessive abrasion. Next, using light to medium pressure, rub the stone or bar in circular motions over the area with dead skin, calluses, or rough patches. Avoid scrubbing vigorously to prevent skin damage. Then rinse your feet thoroughly with warm water to remove any residue. Pat dry with a towel and apply a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and nourished. What makes using a pumibar effective is directly related to how often you use it. What most people do is they wait for a callus to become bothersome and then they use the pumice stone and sand the heck out of it. Guess what? This doesn't work so well. A better and more effective approach is to use the pumibar every time you're in the shower. Instead of making it an occasional spa event, make it a habit. When you're in the shower or right afterwards, rub each calloused area with the pumibar 3 or 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That will get the new layer of dead skin off of your foot. It will be more helpful in keeping your foot callous and pain-free. While using a pumice stone or pumibar can be beneficial, it's important to keep the following precautions and tips in mind. Avoid using a pumice stone or pumibar on open wounds, cuts, or inflamed areas. It may cause further damage or infection. After each use, rinse the stone or bar thoroughly and allow it to dry completely. Regularly clean it with mild soap and water to prevent the buildup of bacteria. Some of the synthetic pumibars are treated to avoid mildew and bacteria buildup. To avoid the spread of infections, do not share your pumice stone or pumibar with others. It's a personal hygiene tool. If you have severe calluses, foot pain, or any underlying foot conditions, it's best to consult with a podiatrist for the proper diagnosis and treatment. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. If you're suffering from painful calluses, the quickest way to be pain-free is to come into the office and let me debride them. You can then maintain it using a pumibar. The link to schedule an appointment is in the description. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.